Hey gorgeous, Lois here and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm really excited to share with you mga gorgeous kung ano yung package na nakuha ko from Happy Days Club a couple of weeks ago. And I also want to tell you that I've been chosen as one of their beauty brand ambassadors recently. So thank you so much, Happy Days Club. So without further ado, let's get started. So ano bang Happy Days Club? Happy Days Club is a social movement providing women their needs during their monthly period, or I would say menstrual kits. I also want to read to you guys kung ano yung mission ng Happy Days Club. So, it says here online that their mission is to provide menstrual products to women that is homeless or living in poverty. And they understand that menstrual products are not easily accessible or affordable to everyone. So, through Happy Days Club, pwede kayong mag-subscribe para makuha yung monthly subscription kit nyo na may laman ng mga goodies para sa inyong monthly period. So, it's like a PMS kit or PMS box that has different kinds of brands and products inside. Syempre tayo mga kababaihan, yung mga monthly cravings tayo. Usually, we crave for chocolates, we crave for like different kinds of drinks. And of course, pag tayo ay may menstruation or may regla, syempre kailangan natin ng mga napkins, mga pads, or like yung mga feminine wash. So sa mga gorgeous dyan na nanonood ngayon, I'm sure alam niyo na kung ibig ko sabihin dito. So it's just very simple mga gorgeous for you to subscribe to this monthly subscription boxes. Una, you have to go to happydaysclub.com, choose the best plan for you, fill out a quick profile, then check out, and then they deliver. As simple as that. So, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa at bubuksan ko na yung box para makita nyo at ma-share ko sa inyo kung nakuha kong box or kit for the month of November. So, this is the box that I got. And yes, mga gorgeous, I already removed the sticker dahil medyo sumilip-silip ako ng konti, but I really haven't opened it up yet. So, this is how the box looks like. Ayan, nakalagay Happy Days Club. And then, dito, sa side, nakalagay dito handy, hip, hearty, and happy. And when you open it, it looks like this. So, nakalagay dito, ayan, very colorful, no? It says here that sending you a little box of happiness to brighten your day. And then there's a little note here. It says, wake up and make up. And nakalagay dito, syempre, welcome to Happy Days Club. Thank you again, Happy Days Club. I also got a little note from them, like, welcome to Happy Days Club. Here's your first box. And yada, yada, yada. Yeah, XOXO Sarah. Thank you. So, ayan na. Napakaganda ng packaging niya, in fairness, ha. Ang cute talaga. And the color is one of my favorite colors. So, yes. I'm really excited. Hindi ko sirain, eh. Ayan. Ay! And these are the things that you'll get. Ayan. So, ilalapag ko muna siya dito sa aking lap para maisa-isa ko sa inyo kung yung mga products na nasa loob. Unang product is, of course, alam ito ng mga kababaihan, this is the pH Care Feminine Wipes. And this is in the scent Powder Fresh. So, yan. You always need to have something like this instead of using your regular wet wipes kasi mas hygienic tong ganitong feminine wipes. So, mas malinis gamitin. Then the next products are lip and cheek tint and tinted balm from the brand Tris Cosmetics. So I got two. I have the lip and cheek tint in the shade Dazzling Ruby. And then I also have here the tinted balm, which can be used for your lips, cheeks, and eyes. Tingnan natin mag-swatch. Ah. And then, ito yung balm. Ayan. The next one is from Celatec Dermo Cosmetics. This is the long wear eyeshadow palette. And I have here the one in Pink Orchid. Wala pa ako nasa-try na Celatec products. Aside from the face powder and yung lipstick nila. But the eyeshadow, I haven't really tried it. So, let me open it up. Oh, I love it. Alam niyo, mahilig ako sa makeup. I'll definitely do a review on this one. And then I also have nail polishes from Carania. I have 2 shades here. I think this one is just regular. Wala siyang glitter. And then this one is frosted. I don't know how to say the names, pero let me try. This one in frosted is Brie. Then this one is Kikay. Hindi ko alam. Parang sounds Italian or French eh. Ayan. I have here Lively Fresh Green Tea from Lipton. Ayan, lalo na pag medyo sumasakit puso natin. Yung iba ay na mag-hot compress. So, we usually just drink hot tea para makatulong at para may mas-masa naman tayo at mawala yung sakit na ating puson. I have some napkins here from Softex, Comfort Slim. So, ito yung may Hello Kitty na design. Ang cute to. Medyo pricey kasi to. So, hindi ito yung ginagamit ko. So, ngayon lang ako makakatry na gatong brand na. Thank you. Yes, I have a few more here. Puro Hello Kitty. Siguro iba-ibang variants to. Like, may wings, merong without wings, may regular. Ito, merong long. And then, I have here another one. Ito yung manipis. Ayan. And then, meron din ako mga liners or panty liners from the same brand, Softex, Hello Kitty rin. And of course, sino bang hindi nakakakilala nito? Ladouce tampons. Mga gorgeous, I will have a separate video on this. If you'd remember, I received a package from them. So, but I haven't really uploaded it. So, or did a review on that one. So, please, antayin lang kayo ng review ko nito. But, this is good. The next one is, of course, PH Care Naturals Intimate Wash. And I have here the one in papaya extract. Ito po yung ginagamit ko for everyday use, tsaka yung guava. Pero most of the time, ito papaya extract. Another product is from Skin Correct. And this is their Acne Clarifying Facial Wash. So this facial wash is used for managing acne breakouts, cleanses the face, and minimizes oil production. Ayan. I have here a Black Pearl Mask from My Beauty Diary. It's their Black Pearl Mask Optimal Whitening, Brightening, and Moisturizing Mask. Ayan. Wow! I have here a Happy Days Club gift certificate. So, this entitles the bearer 300 worth of derm care services valid at all derm care branches nationwide. Ayan o. Ang galing. Kasi, mga gorgeous, totoo lang, never ako nagpa-derma. As in, never in my life na nagpa-derma talaga ako. So, matatry ko na rin finally. I also have here a derm care card. So, ang galing. This is a discount card. So, this card entitles the member to a 10% discount on services and 5% discount on products. Yay! Ayan, meron akong card. I'd finally be able to try going to a derma spa or derm care clinic. At hindi lang yun mga gorgeous, meron pang 2 products na na-receive ako from Happy Days Club. At hindi syempre ito kasya sa box, kaya hindi na nailagay sa loob. But these products are from Coco Line. Ayan. Meron dito akong meron ako ditong lotion and then the body wash. So, these products have coconut, milk, and licorice. And it's paraben-free, of course, which is good. Na-excite naman ako. Ang bango! I just hope na yung kahit nakaligo ka na, kapit pa rin yung amoy ng body wash. Kasi yun yung mga gusto ko eh. Ang bango! Ang bango! Thank you so much! So mga gorgeous, ayun po. Napakaraming laman ng aking subscription box for this month of November. And if you wanna check out kung paano mag-subscribe sa kanila, again, just go to their Instagram account. They also have a Facebook page, which ilalike ko na sa description box below. And sana naging helpful tong video na ito sa inyo. Kung nagustuhan nyo, please do not forget to hit on the thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please click on the little bell button down below para ma-notify kayo tuwing may bagong video na i-upload sa aking channel. Again, gorgeous, thank you so much for watching and I will see you on my next video. Bye!